welcome back, artistic family. It feels like forever. Thank you so much, guys. I am doing much better. And then I just kind of gave myself a little bit more time to kind of reset, I like to call it, for the next stages of my creative direction. But I've been having fun with the Majestic color palette, so I thought, you know, I've done some straight pours with it. Let me try another technique. And I love my swipes and I haven't done one for a while. So what I want to do, guys, is just make, layer the paint in a linear motion. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use my palette knife and make a few swipes. And we're just going to hope for some beauty. So let's get going. See me in the reflection. So some of you may not like this, but again, this is Abstract Fluid Abstract Art. And again, I didn't have a design. I just knew which way I wanted to swipe. I wanted black negative space, lots of movement, and I wanted it minimal. And for me, it's checked all boxes. So you guys know I love these little wispy lines, okay? And I've got that beautiful curve and movement there. Now, this is horizontal, but the way that I wanted to display them in the frame would have been vertical. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm going to wait till it dries. But I really like the way this turned out. So I wanted to show you guys something that I'm still kind of baffled about. Maybe you guys know. If so, you can teach me something in the comments. But this is completely dry. And as you guys seen, I didn't use a brush or a foam brush. I actually poured the base on. But look at this, right? It's almost as if I, you know, skipped parts or, you know, it's just very odd. It's almost like I painted in some areas with the brush and then didn't in others, but I didn't do that. And then this is what's really weird, but kind of cool. So as you guys can see here, I have all of these dark marks, but they reflect the pattern of the design. So it's got the same shape, and it even like reflects some of the wispies that I have there. And I thought, okay, well, maybe it was the Payne's Gray where that's dark and I use black, and of course that mixes together. but there's no color here, and the Payne's Gray wouldn't border the whole thing. It would be in certain areas. So it's very odd that I have this dark and light black base in different areas. I'm really trying to save this, guys. So same thing. Let me pour the base on the canvas and let's get going.